Time now for some Monday birthdays, and we begin in Thayer with Joseph John celebrating birthday number 1. Happy birthday.
All right, and we've got Jackson McPherson turning 2 years old this year from Frontenac with love from Mom and Dad. Happy birthday, Jackson.
And Keslin Fuentes, formerly from Oswego, now living in California, celebrating birthday number 9 with love from Poppy and Nani.
Out in Chanute, Kansas, Camden McReady. Happy birthday, bud.
Brody Matson, turning number 14 in Columbus. And it says, we love you and are so proud. Love Grandma Patty and Aunt Jennifer.
All right, Bethany Johnson is turning 17 years old this year in Columbus.
And Jordan Trued celebrating birthday number 30 in Nevada with love from your wife Brooklyn and first son Huckleberry Finn.
Aww. And Craig Burchett, happy 42nd birthday to you. Love the overalls there, Craig, in Liberal, Missouri.
And Angie Edwards celebrating number 61 in Crestline. Says happy birthday from the Crestline girls.
Back to Frontenac, where Brian Shroud is celebrating birthday number 70 this year.
Over in Parsons, we've got Sandy Wommeldorf celebrating number 74 with love from your husband, Mike.
And Thomas Christie is 79 years old this year. Lovely throwback picture there for Mr. Christie in Fort Scott.
And we've got Danette Cheney celebrating in Iola, Kansas. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Danette. And a happy anniversary going out to the Evans in Frontenac. Matt and Amy celebrating 24 years together.
Where our list continues with J.D. Ryan celebrating in Weir. Happy birthday, J.D.
Pat Patusik in Cherokee, our neighbor here. Happy birthday.
And last but not least, David Braun celebrating number 66 in Scammon. Happy birthday and anniversary to all of you. And if you'd like to celebrate with us, Tanya has some information you need to know.
That's right. All you have to do is send your birthdays or anniversaries to this email. Birthdays, don't forget the S, at KOAMnewsnow.com.
And of course, while you're on our website, take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. It is easy to do. You get great deals from local businesses, and you get a birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So make sure you head over to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for that birthday club today. Well, coming up,